Here we will see regular expressions in C sharp. In C sharp, regular expression is a pattern which is used to parse and check whether the given input text is matching with the given pattern or not. Regular expressions are generally termed as regex. .NET Framework provides a regular expression engine that allows the pattern matching, which may consist of any character, literals, operators, or constructors. C# provides a class termed as a regex, which can be found in system.text.regularExpression. This class will perform following two things: parsing the inputting text for the regular expression pattern and identifying the regular expression pattern in the given text. There are many basic syntax like qualifiers, special characters, character classes, grouping, and alternatives which are used for regular expressions. First, we will see qualifiers. Asterisk, which is used to match the preceding character 0 or more times. Plus sign is used to match the preceding character 1 or more times. Question mark is used to match the preceding character 0 or 1 time. N with curly bracket is used to match the preceding character exactly n times. N and comma with curly bracket is used to match the preceding character at least n times. And n comma m with curly bracket is used to match the preceding character from n to m times. Next we will see special characters. Exponential is used to find the word after this element matches at the beginning of a string or line. Dollar is used to find word before this element matches at the end of a line or string. Dot is used to matches any character only once except new line character. Slash D is used to match the digit character. Slash capital D is used to match the non-digit character. Slash W is used to match any alphanumeric or underscore character. Slash capital W is used to match any non-word character. Slash S is used to match the white space characters. Slash capital S is used to match the non-white space characters. And slash N is used to match a new line character. The different character classes in regex are bracket, which is used for group expression. A pipeline B is used for alternative either A or B. And question mark expression yes or no is used if expression is matched, it gives yes, otherwise it gives no. Different properties for regular expressions are match timeout, which is used to get the timeout interval of the current instance. Options is used to get the option that were passed into the regex constructor. Right to left property is used to get a value that indicates whether the regular expression searches from right to left. Different methods for regex class are isMatch with parameter string, which indicates whether the regular expression specified in the regex constructor finds a match in a specified input string. isMatch with parameter string and integer value indicates whether the regular expression specified in the regex constructor finds a match in a specified input string. Match with parameter string searches the specified input string for the first occurrence of the regular expression specified in the regex constructor. Match with string and integer value searches the input string for the first occurrence of a regular expression beginning at the specified starting position in the string. Matches with string parameter searches the specified input string for all occurrence of a regular expression. Matches with string and integer value searches the specified input string for all occurrence of a regular expression beginning at the specified starting position in the string. Replace with two string parameters is used in a specified input string replaces all strings that match a regular expression pattern with a specified replacement string. And replace with two string parameter and an integer value is used in a specified input string replaces a specified maximum number of strings that matches a regular expression pattern with a specified replacement string. Split method with parameter string splits an input string into an array of substring at the positions defined by a regular expression pattern specified in the regex constructor. And split with two string parameters and an integer value splits an input string a specified maximum number of times into an array of substrings at the positions defined by a regular expression specified in the regex constructor.